Pour some oil in a pan and add your marinated chicken. After that, cook the chicken while on the other hand prepare the sauce. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter with onion and green chili. Then add then mix then saute it until translucent. After that add some tomato juice and heavy cream along with half a cup of milk. Then add paprika flakes and sugar. I forgot to add the clip for sugar. Then after that the sauce will be prepared, and when the sauce will be prepared, add the sauce to the chicken and mix well. Here you go. You got yourself some butter chicken. Easy peasy, lemon is squeezy.